how to replace the handle on a trowel or hand fork, you know. I was about to do this. I thought, oh, hang on, let's make a video. So anyway, the handle's basically all dried out and it's rotten, and it isn't a very good handle anyway. And so I thought, hang on, let's change it, put a new handle on it. You know, if for instance you find it hard to remove the old handle, you could just put it in the fire and burn it off. This one's come off really easy because basically it's had it. It's had its day. It has. I've got this. I was going to use for my handle. I'm going to bring you down close so I can show you what I'm doing, and then I'll shut up. But I've already had this kick in the back, so I thought I'd use that for my handle. Right, it's the knobbly one, and it's quite nice and big. So we're going to use that for my handle. You could use an old dry branch or something like that from a bit of hickory, or a piece of oak, a piece of chestnut, anything really. You know, and all you need is a few hand tools. You're going to need maybe a mallet, a hammer, some drill bits, a drill, and a little saw I'm going to use. Now, if you have a lathe, which I have got a lathe, but I'm thinking that people don't have a lathe, you could do what I do with this on the lathe. Basically got to reduce that down on the end there, you see, to take this little ferrule. All right, so what we're going to do is I'll bring it down and we'll make a start, shall we? So, there we go. Right, so that's the little weeding hand trowel. This is going to be my handle. This is the ferrule. So I'm going to put this into my vise. You could use a clamp or just hold it in your hands if you're crazy. And then I'm going to put that on there like so. Centering it. Okay, to find centre, you just draw 2 lines, but I've already got the centre here where it was turned on the lathe. Like so. Nearly. Just a little tap. I don't want to crush it. And now I can see my mark. You could draw a line around it if you want. Right. Now I could just chop like that. But I'll split further down, so you've got to stop it. You've got to stop it from doing that. So I'm going to put... That's how you can change the handle on your tool. Yeah? Works a treat, you know. The idea of heating it up is so it expands the ferrule and then it'll shrink down onto the wood, but also I basically burnt the hole through with heating up the little spiky bit on the trowel. I forgot what it's called now. Anyway, please people got a like button and maybe subscribe to the channel. Toodaloo!